And as Shashikala Natarajan escalates her bid to become Tamil Nadu's Chief Minister, public unease against her possible accession is rising, in part fueled by her business interests and that of her family. New findings by NDTV show further proof of worrisome financial dealings, specifically how a web of shell companies links Ms. Shashikala Natarajan to a controversial mining baron.
As part of our ongoing probe into those Shashikala companies, we came across an even more troubling link, which suggests that even if she were to resign, her family continues to have ties with companies and businesses that have great dependence on government discretion and which have a dubious track record. Documents unearthed by NDTV find that Shashikala's nephew-in-law, V.S. Shivkumar, is partner with a businessman called Vaikuntarajan, whose company VV Minerals is one of the biggest players in Tamil Nadu's highly lucrative beach sand mining business. This company, a World Rock as it's called, was registered in 2002 and has no business dealings to speak of, just 1 lakh in paid up capital. Despite this, they have a link, the family has a link to this particular company. Now, why is this association problematic is worth looking at.
The beach sand mining in Tamil Nadu caters to 85% of the total beach sand mining in India. That makes it a 76,000 crore industry. Out of that, 3/4 is taken care of by VV Mineral, a company owned by Mr. Vaikuntarajan. In August 2013, a committee led by the District Collector of Tuticorin, Ashish Kumar, raided VV Minerals. In the report, they stated that VV Minerals was involved in high-level, large-scale illegal mining. These allegations were later probed by a senior IS official who in his report made sure that mining got banned in 5 districts of Tamil Nadu. These 5 districts were major centers of business for VV Mineral. In the latest investigation done by the District Committee of Tirunelveli, they have found out that even after this ban was issued by the then CM Jayalalitha in 2013, in the next 2 years, VV Mineral was involved in around 9.65 lakh ton of transportation of heavy minerals across the state.
Right. Now, Vaikuntarajan and the Shashikala family have had business ties in the past as well. In fact, from 2003 to 2009, he owned 30% stake in Midas Distilleries, the Shashikala family-run company and one of the biggest alcohol suppliers to TASMAC, which is the state-run liquor distribution company. But in 2012, he sold that stake to the Shashikala family. But as we found in our investigation, those ties continue through at least this one company, One World Rock, that we've unearthed. Now, when we started to dig a little bit more about this company, A World Rock, we found that it was part of a web of companies with the same directors, V.S. Shivakumar and Karthikeyan Kalai Perumal, Shashikala's both husbands of nieces of Shashikala, and all registered at the same address in Chennai.
We have come to the T Nagar Chennai address of a Rock Private Limited company. This is also the address given for 13 other companies, all of which have directors as Shivkumar and Karthikeyan, who are relatives of Shashikala. We are told that this is a residential complex and the house number that's given on the address has been locked for months. There's somebody who comes, gives the rent every month and then leaves. There is nobody who actually functions in these offices. Apparently, this is also the office for Sri Jaya Finance Limited and Jazz Cinemas. There are these companies registered and the address given is this, 19 and 20 by 12.
No, address is this.
Yes.
But there is no company here.
Go
but you are coming from where?
We are from NDTV. We just want to, we are following the addresses given by these companies, Sri Jaya Finance, Jazz Cinemas, and all of these have given the same address.
No one is there.